Alright. This thing. Oh. Well, that's fun. What is it? There's stuff on this motherboard, too. You know what? We're gonna rip this thing apart, and we are going to redo all the cable management, and then go from there. I think there might actually be nothing wrong with this, which would be nice. Like, I legitimately think the issue the guy was having was that the 12 volt high wattage adapter for the Nvidia card was not actually plugged in all the way, and it was overheating right there. So I'm going to unplug that. We're going to take a look at it. So let's see what's back here. Yep, we're going to see what was done with this. Oh, so he's actually using both of these bays, so there's not really a huge amount of space back here for cabling. But there is room to do it a little better. Holy crap. All right. All right, well, let's see what we can do. I guess we're just gonna, this should be everything as far as the cables go, except for this adapter, which we'll get a nice close-up look. I actually want to use I don't think we're gonna have any. Everything there looks fine. No melting. Maybe a little bit on one of them. All right. Let's see what we can do with this. This one's actually going to be a challenge. Like, it's just sad when you have a nice case like this, and it's like, first things first, let's make it look pretty, but ignore all the cables that I have to put in this computer. Like, what is this cable going to? for this guy. So I'm going to set this back up so we can see here our connector. All right, so I'm going to push this in until this clicks, and then we're gonna see how much farther we have to go. That clicked, so that has clicked in there, and wow, yeah. Because if we look at that, you see how it's bent. All right, so let's try this again. So now that's all the way in there, and that is holding on quite nicely. So that's what we're looking for with this, is 100% contact when that's all the way down there.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two.